Have you been thinking about buying a green screen? Well, if you have, you better stay tuned. I got a little secret for you. Hit the logo. What's up, guys? Ken Mosley here, aka K-Dog, back with another video. If you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome. If you're a returning viewer, I want to say welcome back. If you've been thinking about buying a green screen or a blue screen, and yeah, they come in blue. So you can do backgrounds like this, or backgrounds like this, little tricks like this, then you might want to listen. Green screens, they range from $15 to $20, and that's without the stand. Now with the stand, they can range $45 and up, and that all depends on the length that you're getting: 5 by 7, 7 by 12, 8 by 16. It can run a little penny, and if you're just starting out, that might put a dent in your pocket. I'm gonna give you a cheaper way to get that done. And that cheaper way is two things. That's all. You need two things. One, you need a green cloth. Two, thumbtacks. That's about it. Now, aside from this big thing I got back here, like I said, two things. And to get those two things, you can either go to Walmart, you can go to Target, or you can do like I did, go to a fabric store. Fabric store, get the size that you need, measure the space in which you want, or what you're going to use, and use this. Now watch this. Once you get your green screen, or once you get your green cloth, you've measured out how much you actually need. That's where the thumbtacks come in. And that's if your wall will support it. Boom. And that's it. Now, once you have it up, you're done. Two things: green cloth, thumbtacks. That's to get you started. Instead of you investing 60, 70, 80 bucks, $5 to $7, depending on where you get it. But it shouldn't cost you that much. And you can also get a poster board, or you can use a sheet. Not the fitted one, just a regular sheet. But it won't cost you an arm and a leg to start. Well, that's my video. Oh, by the way, just to show what I'm talking about. Wait a minute. There. Ready? There you go. Same thing as the big one. This is what you practice on. This is what you get your skills up on. Well, that's my video for today. Stay tuned for my next one. I'm going to show you how to master chroma key. Because without chroma key, You can't make this work. Well, that's my video for today. If you like my video, if you learned anything, hit the subscribe button for me, please. Hit them thumbs up. This is Ken Mosley, aka K Dog. Signing out. I'm out. Peace.